This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Penny Klein. This stunning home has an absolutely beautifully landscaped yard. Entering the front door, the gorgeous solid wood flooring greets you. You will be amazed at this custom-built floor plan designed by a Georgia architect. This is truly a one-of-a-kind. On top of that, Mrs. Clean and Tidy lives here, and it's evident in every detail. The main ensuite is located conveniently on the main level. 2 closets are ideal for each person's apparel. The second level is currently being used as 2 bedrooms, 1 living area, and a main bathroom with 2 lavatories. The living area could very easily be turned back into the 4th bedroom. The peaceful backyard welcomes you with a soothing fish pond and many perennial plants, bushes, ground cover, and bulbs that will come back year after year. The seller also purchased the lot behind the house that will convey with the property, giving it a much larger retreat. The possibilities are endless in that space. Don't wait long, as this property won't last long. For more information